Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to research hashtags for free. Many people underestimate the importance of hashtags, but they are often the ultimate factor in whether your post performs well or not. So, how do you choose the right ones? First, researching on Instagram. On Instagram, the process is simple. Go to the search tab and type in your main keyword. For this example, I'll type in social media marketing. Instagram will display a list of the most popular related hashtags currently in use, along with the exact number of posts for each. Simply review this list and add the most relevant ones to your post. Next, I'll search for digital marketing, and here are the results. This is one effective way to find hashtags directly on the platform. Second, researching on LinkedIn. We can also search on LinkedIn. To start, go to the search bar at the top of your LinkedIn homepage and type in a hashtag you're considering. For example, hashtag SEO. Here, you can see all the posts including this hashtag. Then, by using external tools, you can use the website hashtagstack.com. First, type in a keyword related to your post. And click Generate. As you can see from the results, you can also find many related keywords from this list to expand your reach. That's it. That is how you can research hashtags for free.